Welcome to our exciting journey where we explore how to make $10,000 in just 10 days, effortlessly. In this video, we'll dive into innovative methods that can help you achieve financial gains without the usual grind. Imagine leveraging your skills and creativity to unlock new income streams, all while enjoying the process. We'll discuss the power of entrepreneurship and how tech-savvy strategies can be game changers for General Z. Whether it's through online businesses, digital marketing, or leveraging social media, there are countless opportunities waiting for you. So, if you're ready to transform your financial future and embrace a lifestyle of freedom and success, stick around. Let's turn your dreams into reality, one step at a time. Hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and please leave a comment. Gen Z is a generation defined by its unique characteristics and values, particularly in how they approach money and entrepreneurship. Unlike previous generations, they prioritize flexibility and purpose over traditional job security. This mindset drives them to seek innovative solutions and embrace technology as a core part of their strategies. With a strong affinity for digital platforms, Gen Z entrepreneurs are adept at leveraging social media and online tools to create and market their ventures. This tech-savvy approach not only enhances their creativity but also accelerates their potential for rapid financial success. By harnessing their passion for innovation and their desire for meaningful work, Gen Z is reshaping the landscape of entrepreneurship, proving that financial independence is not just a dream but an achievable reality. In today's fast-paced world, there are numerous innovative methods to generate income quickly. Side hustles like drop shipping, freelance graphic design, or content creation on platforms like YouTube and TikTok can provide immediate financial returns. Additionally, passive income opportunities such as affiliate marketing, print-on-demand services, or investing in dividend stocks allow you to earn money while you sleep. Technology plays a crucial role in simplifying these income streams. User-friendly apps and platforms make it easier than ever to manage your business and reach a global audience. We encourage you to think outside the box and explore unconventional financial solutions that align with your skills and interests. With creativity and the right tools, you can unlock new avenues for income and achieve your financial goals. Setting achievable financial goals is crucial for success in your 10-day challenge. Start by defining specific, measurable, and time-bound objectives. For example, instead of saying, "I want to make money," aim for, "I will earn $1,000 by day 5. This clarity helps you focus your efforts and track your progress effectively. Regularly monitoring your achievements will keep you motivated and accountable. If you find that a goal is too ambitious or not challenging enough, don't hesitate to adjust it based on your performance and feedback. Flexibility is key to maintaining momentum and ensuring you stay on track. Remember, each small win builds confidence and propels you closer to your ultimate financial target, making the journey both rewarding and achievable. To achieve your financial goals, utilizing the right tools and resources is essential. There are numerous apps and platforms designed to facilitate income generation, such as Etsy for handmade goods, Upwork for freelance services, and Shopify for e-commerce. These platforms streamline the process, allowing you to focus on what you do best. Additionally, social media plays a pivotal role in promoting your products or services. Platforms like Instagram and TikTok can help you reach a wider audience and engage potential customers effectively. Don't underestimate the power of online communities, either. Joining forums or groups related to your niche can provide invaluable support, ideas, and networking opportunities. By leveraging these resources, you'll be well equipped to navigate your financial journey and achieve success. Hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and please leave a comment. Inspiring success stories abound, showcasing Gen Z entrepreneurs who achieved impressive financial goals in record time. Take Sarah, for instance, who launched her online clothing store and made $10,000 in just 2 weeks by leveraging social media marketing and influencer partnerships. Her strategy focused on creating a strong brand presence and engaging with her audience authentically. Another example is Jake, who turned his passion for graphic design into a thriving freelance business. earning $5,000 in his first week by utilizing platforms like Fiverr and Upwork. Both of these individuals faced challenges but learned valuable lessons about resilience and adaptability. Their relatable journeys remind us that with the right strategies and determination, financial success is within reach. Let their stories motivate you to take action and pursue your own goals. Embarking on a 10-day challenge to achieve rapid financial gains can come with its share of obstacles. Common challenges include time management, lack of initial capital, and the fear of failure. To overcome these hurdles, start by creating a structured schedule that allocates specific time blocks for your income-generating activities. If capital is a concern, consider low-cost side hustles or leveraging free online resources to kickstart your efforts. Additionally, it's natural to feel apprehensive about potential setbacks. However, embracing resilience and adaptability is key. When faced with challenges, take a moment to reassess your strategies and adjust your approach as needed. Remember, every setback is an opportunity to learn and grow, bringing you one step closer to your financial goals. Stay focused and keep pushing forward. Hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and please leave a comment. In this video, we explored innovative methods and strategies to help you make $10,000 in just 10 days. From leveraging side hustles and passive income opportunities to setting realistic goals and utilizing essential tools, we've covered a comprehensive roadmap to financial success. Remember, the key to achieving your goals lies in taking action and maintaining your motivation throughout the journey. Don't let challenges deter you. Instead, view them as stepping stones to growth. If you found this content valuable, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with others who might benefit. Your engagement helps us create more inspiring content, so let's embark on this financial journey together and turn your dreams into reality.